May I help you? Do you need to change some money? Do you have cash or traveler's checks? I'm sorry, I can only accept cash or traveler's checks. May I see your passport, please? I'll need to see your passport in order to change the money for you. Let's see. That adds up to $1,250. Would you like it in any special denomination? How would you like your money? In large or small bills? How would you like your money? In 20s, 50s, or $100 bills? You're welcome. Thank you very much. There you go. Enjoy your trip. I'm sorry, I don't understand. Excuse me? I beg your pardon?